Microprocessors refers to the brain of the computer. Earlier computers used to be the size of 20 refrigerators. They had vacuum tubes till 1954, which were replaced by transistors during 1954 to 1959. Then integrated circuits in 1999 replaced transistors, and then with the release of Intel's 4004, microprocessors are being used till date since 1971. The contents of today's presentation are microprocessor, building concept of microprocessor, 8085 introduction and 8085 features. At the end of 1960s, Intel's Ted Hoff was asked to design several different calculators for a Japanese client. The traditional way would have been to develop several different integrated circuits or silicon chips to do the work, which earlier took an entire room. Joined by a fellow engineers Stan Maser and Federico Fagin, Hoff squeezed an entire computer onto a single silicon chip, pairing with a small memory to give it its instructions. Let us define a microprocessor. The microprocessor is a multi-purpose, clock-driven, register-based digital integrated circuit which accepts binary data as input, processes it according to instructions stored in its memory, and provides results as output. Microprocessor is a computer central processing unit or CPU on a single chip that contains millions of transistors connected by wires. The other words, we can say that a microprocessor is designed to perform arithmetic and logic operations that make use of small number holding areas called registers. The operations of a typical microprocessor includes adding, subtracting, comparing two numbers and fetching numbers from one area to another. How microprocessors are made? The microprocessors are made by silicon or germanium, which are semiconductors. Almost all electronic components are made by these semiconductors. A microprocessor is an integrated circuit (IC) that contains a few millions of transistors fused on a semiconductor chip. It is just a few millimeters in dimensions and is used in almost every electronic device, from the microwaves and washing machine in homes to advanced supercomputers of a space station. AMD, Intel, Nvidia, Marvell Technology Group, and Silica ARM are some best companies of this processor. Moving on to building concept of microprocessor. Microprocessor is capable of performing various computing functions and making decisions to change the sequence of program execution. The microprocessor can be divided into three segments as shown in figure: arithmetic and logical unit (ALU), register array, and control unit. These three segments is responsible for all processing done in a computer. ALU, it is the unit of microprocessor where various computing functions are performed on the data. It performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, and logical operations such as OR, and exclusive OR, etc. It is also known as the brain of the computer. Register array, it is the part of the register in microprocessor which consists of various registers identified by letters such as B, C, D, E, H, and L. Registers are small additional memory locations which are used to store and transfer data and programs that are currently being executed. Control unit. The control unit provides the necessary timing and control signals to all the operations in the microprocessor. It controls and executes the flow of data between the microprocessor, memory, and peripherals. The control bus is bidirectional and assists the CPU in synchronizing control signals to internal devices and external components. This signal permits the CPU to receive or transmit data from main memory. Now let's see how the microprocessor works. To get the output, the first microprocessor fetches the instructions from the computer memory and then decodes it and executes those instructions as a result in a binary form. The power of the given microprocessor is measured in terms of bits. Fetching, IF, it is the first step of the microprocessor which fetches the instructions from the memory. Decoding, ID, it is the second step of the microprocessor used to decode the instruction. Executing, EX, it is the last step of this processor that executes the instructions and the output. Applications: gaming, web browsing, creating documents, mathematical calculations, simulations, photo editing, in-home appliances, in automotive electronics, in metering, in mobile electronics and in building automation, etc. Advantages are low cost, high speed, small size, low power consumption, versatile, reliable, portable, easy to implement and easy to modify. And disadvantages are floating point operations are not supported. Sometimes it may get overheated. Basic terms used in microprocessor. Instruction set. The group of commands that the microprocessor can understand is called instruction set. It is an interface between hardware and software. Bus. Set of conductors intended to transmit data, address or control information to different elements in a microprocessor. A microprocessor will have three types of buses, that is data bus, address bus and control bus. Address bus is a group of wires or lines that are used to transfer the addresses of memory or input-output devices. Data bus is used to transfer data between microprocessor and memory or input or output devices. It is bidirectional. Control bus is used to process data, that is what to do with the selected memory location. Various operations are performed by microprocessor with the help of control bus. IPC, that is instructions per cycle. It is a measure of how many instructions a CPU is capable of executing in a single clock. Clock speed. It is the number of operations per second the microprocessor can perform. It can be expressed in megahertz or gigahertz. It can also be called as the clock rate. Bandwidth. The number of bits processed in a single instruction is called bandwidth. Word length. The number of bits the microprocessor can process at a time is called the word length of the microprocessor. 8-bit microprocessor may process 8-bit data at a time. The range of word length is from 4 bits to 64 bits depending upon the type of microcomputer. Data types. The microprocessor support multiple data types formats like binary, ASCII, signed and unsigned numbers. Intel 8085 microprocessor. 8085 is pronounced as 8085 microprocessor. It is an 8-bit microprocessor designed by Intel in 1976 using NMOS technology. N-type metal oxide semiconductor logic uses N-type MOSFETs, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor to implement logic gates and other digital circuits. It has following configuration: 8-bit data bus, 16-bit address bus which can address up to 64 KB, a 16-bit program counter, a 16-bit stack pointer, 6 8-bit registers arranged in pairs, that is BC, DE and HL. Requires plus 5 volt supply to operate at 3.2 MHz single phase clock. It is used in washing machines, microwave ovens, mobile phones, etc. Now let us see the architecture of 8085 microprocessor. It has firstly 8-bit internal data bus. It transfers data within the microprocessor and memory or input or output devices. Interrupt control. It controls the interrupt activity of 8085 microprocessor. Serial input output control. It has two lines for serial communication, SOD and SID. SOD, that is serial output data, sends data serially. SID, that is serial input data, receives data serially. ALU, the arithmetic logical unit, performs the actual numerical and logical operations such as plus, minus, add, or etc. ALU uses data from the memory and accumulator to perform the arithmetic operations and always stores the result of the operation in accumulator. ALU consists of accumulator, flag register and temporary register. Accumulator, it is an 8-bit register that is a part of ALU. This register is used to store 8-bit data and perform arithmetic and logical operations. It is also identified as register A. Temporary register, it is an 8-bit register which holds the temporary data of arithmetic and logical operations. Flags. Flag register includes 5 flip-flops which are set or reset after an operation according to the data conditions of the result in the accumulator, and other registers. They are called 0, Z, carry, CY, sign, S, parity, P and auxiliary carry AC flags. The microprocessor uses these flags to set and send data conditions. The first is 0 flag. 0 flag indicates whether the result of mathematical operation is 0 or not. Carry flag indicates whether during an addition or subtraction operation, carry or borrow is generated or not. Auxiliary carry flag shows carry propagation from one position to another. Parity flag shows whether the result is even or not. Sign flag indicates whether the result of an operation is positive or negative. Instruction register. This register holds the machine code of the instruction when microprocessor executes a program. It reads the opcode from the memory. This operation code is stored in the instruction register. Instruction decoder. This unit, as the name suggests, decodes the operation unit code and finds out what is to be done in response of the coming operation code and how many machine cycles are required to execute this instruction. Timing and control unit. The control unit generates signals within microprocessor to carry out the instructions which has been decoded. In reality, it causes certain connections between blocks of the microprocessor to be opened or closed so that the data goes where it is required and the ALU operations occur. Registers. 8085 has 6 general purpose registers to store 8-bit data. These registers are named as B, C, D, E, H and L. The user can use these registers to store or copy a data temporarily during the execution of a program by using data transfer instructions. These registers are of 8-bit, but whenever the microprocessor has to handle 16-bit data, these registers can be combined as register pairs, that is B will combine with C to get BC register, D will combine with E to get DE register and H will combine with L to get HL register. There are two internal registers W and Z. These both registers are only for internal operations. Moving on to stack pointer, it points to a memory location in read or write memory called the stack. Stack pointer is a 16-bit register used as a memory pointer. The beginning of the stack is defined by loading 16-bit address in the stack pointer. Program counter. This register is a memory pointer. It is also 16-bit register which deals with the sequencing and execution of instructions. The microprocessor uses this register to sequence the execution of the instructions. Increment or decrement. The 16-bit increment and decrement register are used to increment and decrement the PC value and SP value by 1. Increment or decrement can be performed on any register or a memory location. Address buffer and data address buffer. These registers hold the address or data received from PC or internal data bus and then load the external address and data buses. These registers actually behave as the buffer stage between the microprocessor and external system buses. So, these are the written definitions and the uses of different architectures of 8085 microprocessor. Moving on to main features of 8085 microprocessor. It is an 8-bit microprocessor. It is manufactured with NMOS technology. It has 16-bit address bus and hence can address up to 216, which is equal to 65,536 bytes, that is 64 KB. Memory location through AD till A15. The first 8 lines of address bus and 8 lines of data bus are multiplexed AD0 to AD7. Data bus is a group of 8 lines D0 to D7. It supports external interrupt request, a 16-bit program counter PC, a 16-bit stack pointer SP, 6 8-bit general purpose registers arranged in pairs BC, DE, HL. It requires the signals of plus 5 volt power supply and operates at 3.2 MHz single phase clock. It is enclosed with 40 pins DIP, that is dual inline package. Thank you.